For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Leiput, L-E-I-P-U-T, and their earwax removal. And welcome Fred, we're going to have him with us today. And he's already looking for something to chew on, so we don't have much time. We have to give him a box quick. His attention span is about nil. Okay, so here's our manual. Nothing special. Actually, there is something special here. There's a lot to this. This is a pretty neat little device for a very cheap price, which I'll put the link in the description. So here we have a bunch of tools, and they're almost all metal, so this is good. Here we have the charger, USB-A to USB-C. And the basis to this, I never said it yet, is it's basically, and here's all the tips, this is basically a camera for whatever, the ears, whatever the case is. It's a mini camera that can get so close and looking inside your ears, inside your nose, inside whatever. You can put it in and see what's inside of it. And it's pretty high quality. We'll go over the tech specs after the unboxing. And as you can see, Fred's almost got the box cut in half. So he's happy. I'm happy. It's a neat item. And let's see if he can bite the box and get it done. There we go. He has it in half. So there's your Earwax Removal Tool camera. So let's go about the item a little bit now next. So this is an Earwax Removal Tool kit with an 8-piece ear set, ear cleaner with camera, Earwax Removal Kit with light, and as always, my disclaimer is I'm not a doctor. I don't recommend cleaning your ears, but this is cool because you can see anything that's kind of in the surface. And instead of sticking your finger or a cotton swab or pliers or a drill in your ear, you can actually get stuff out about as professionally as a doctor would do. So always feel like there's a endless earwax in your ears, but cannot observe the inside and worry about breaking the eardrum. The Leiput Smart HD Wireless Otoscope, O-T-O-S-C-O-P-E, Earwax Removal Tool allows you to clearly see the microscopic world in your ears. Kind of scared me when I first looked in mine. I saw my actual eardrum, which is, there's a picture of an eardrum right there. And I was like, whoa, what's inside my ear? This is freaky, but yeah, anyway. It's FSA eligible items. Effective earwax removal and tinnitus relief for ringing ears. Our otoscope is used an upgraded Type-C fast charger design. It's equipped with a 350 milliamp battery. Can be used for 90 minutes when fully charged without frequent recharging. Has a 360-degree view. The Earwax Removal Tool camera is equipped with a 360-degree wide-angle lens to provide a large covered field of view. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope can provide stable and smooth image transmission even when rotating. So it has a gyroscope built in. Really neat. And maintain a stable and accurate video direction. It has 6 LED lights on the end. 6 super LED lights lens, say that 10 times. Our camera lens diameter is designed with 4mm 6 LED lights around the tip to light any area you wish to see. Suitable for ears, teeth, I forgot about that one, nose, throat, scalp, root, and other body parts. So if you want to look at your teeth and do an exam, normally anything black on a tooth is a cavity. So again, I'm not a dentist, but that's how I do it myself. So, let's see, what else do we have here? It's a 1080p HD ear camera. The Earwax Removal Kit is equipped with 6 LED lights. I've just said that. It has 3 kinds of Radian ear scoops. The ear cleaner rotatable metal ear scoops, which can be tightened to prevent falling off, which is kind of important. You don't want it to fall off in your side of your ear. Use a silicone ear scoop cover over the ear scoop to prevent scratching the ear canal. You can choose the curvature of the ear scoop that suits you. Before use, please pay attention to tightly fit the silicone ear scoop on the ear. It's very simple to use. The ear cleaner has a built-in 350 milliamp rechargeable battery, which can be used for 90 minutes after being fully charged, and a standby time of up to 30 days. So you're probably not going to leave this on anyway. You're going to turn it off when you're done, but if you do, it's 30-day standby. IP67 waterproof otoscope ear spoon and lens can be washed with water and wiped off with alcohol cotton after use. Please do not put the whole otoscope in water. Supports Android and iOS devices. Connection is a little tricky, but it's not bad. Scan the QR code to download the app. Press and hold the switch button to turn it on. Connect the earwax camera through the device's Wi-Fi and you start using. So you're actually going through the Wi-Fi. The downside is you can, of course, go online, but the upside is you're using your Wi-Fi, which is taking a lot of bandwidth, so you get really good photos, and the videos are taken by the device, is stored in the app's album. So if you want to save them, you can, which is neat. So you want to look inside your ears, save it, look back at it some other time, they're there. So the package contains the Earwax Removal Kit with light silicone earplug cover, 5 of them, earplug cover storage bottle to keep them inside, traditional ear scope kit, 8, charging cable, and manual. Let's see, let's go over dimensions. 15.75 by 15.75 by 11.81 inches, 2.4 ounces, pretty small, pretty light. Batteries, 1 lithium polymer. And that's really it. So, that's my video on the Leiput otoscope. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.